Hey there, Chet here. In the world of digital product design, the term prototyping can mean a lot of different things. On the one hand, it can be linking a few screens together to show a basic flow. On the other, it can mean creating a simulation so realistic it feels like a finished app. This is where two powerful tools, ProtoPie and Framer, often come into the conversation, but they're built to solve two very different problems. Today, we're going in depth as a comparison of Framer and ProtoPie. This isn't about which one is better at prototyping, it's about understanding the completely different jobs these two tools are designed to do so that you can choose the right one for your project. But before we start, I've got something special. When you sign up with my link below, you'll not only get started with Framer, you'll also unlock my free full course that takes you from your first project to your first client. And I'll include my Notion templates, the ones that I use to manage projects, track clients, and keep everything organized. It's all just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. The link is below, so let's get started. We'll begin with ProtoPie. ProtoPie is a highly specialized, advanced prototyping tool. Its primary job is to take static designs that you've likely created in another program like Figma or Sketch and bring them to life with complex, realistic interactions. It's not a tool for creating the initial design or for publishing a live website. It is a dedicated space for building and testing interactions in a way that feels incredibly real. Now, the strength of ProtoPie is its ability to create prototypes that use conditional logic and can interact with the native sponsors of a smartphone, or the native sensors, rather, of a smartphone. This means that you can build a prototype that responds to the phone's camera, microphone, accelerometer, or compass. You can create interactions using variables, formulas, and conditions, allowing you to simulate very complex user flows, like a checkout process that calculates a total or a form that shows an error message if filled out incorrectly. ProtoPie is the tool you use when you need to create a hyper-realistic simulation of a mobile application to test with users before committing to expensive development time. Now, let's look at Framer. Framer is an all-in-one platform for both designing and publishing professional websites. While it has excellent prototyping features, its goal is really fundamentally different from ProtoPie's. In Framer, the prototyping is not a simulation, it is part of the process of building the actual final website. You can create beautiful screen transitions, component variations, and sophisticated scroll-based animations. But these are all web-native interactions designed to be published online. Framer is a tool for creating the final product, not just a simulation of it. Its entire workflow is contained in one environment, allowing you to go from a blank canvas to a design to an interactive prototype and finally to a live, high-performance website with one click. It's built for creating marketing sites, landing pages, and portfolios where the design and web-based interactions are really part of the final experience. You aren't testing an idea to be built later. You are actually building the idea directly. So, how do you choose? The decision comes down to your final output. If your goal is to create a realistic logic-based prototype of a native mobile app to test and validate complex interactions before development, then ProtoPie is the specialized, powerful tool built for that exact job. But if your goal is to design, prototype, and publish a real live website with a beautiful animation and professional finish, then Framer is the all-in-one platform that you need. And if you're ready to design and launch professional websites, we want to help you get started with Framer, offering you our complete free course. Don't forget to grab it. All right, that's it for this comparison. I really hope this helps you understand the key differences between Framer and ProtoPie. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.